Hello, everybody. Today is a great day because Kitten Oreo has just learned how to drink water from a bowl. She is 4 months old in this recording. I don't know whether it's too late for her to learn how to drink or is it okay, but I am super happy that she finally did learn it. Well, she still uses her paw a little bit, but basically she did figure out how to do it. And if you look at the background, you will see some water drops on the shelf up there. So there were some mistakes made, but never mind, she did figure out how drinking water works. So hooray! If you are happy for Oreo, please give her a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.